Hi, wanna know how to set multiple alarms on your Realme 12X? So, as a first step, we would need to find a clock application on our phone. The most easiest way to find it is in the app drawer. Here is it how the clock application looks. So, we would need to click on it to open it, and here we can already see these two default alarms for 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. If you would like to create your own alarm, we would need to click on this big blue plus at the bottom part of your phone. So first thing that we would need to choose here is the time when the alarm will ring, the most important thing. So for example, I'll set here 16 p.m. like this, and the next thing is that we would need to choose here how often this alarm will repeat. We can choose ring once on work days or set our custom where you can choose the days when the alarm will repeat. So next thing that we got here is alarm name. We can give a name to this alarm so you can know why is it ringing. For example, you need to walk out your dog or take out the trash. Then next thing that we got here is a ringtone, which you can choose if you don't like the default one by clicking on it. You'll get to the audio and music. Right here is it how it looks. And next thing that we got here, if you would like your alarm to ring, when it is ringing, it will vibrate, yes or no. If this slider is blue, it will vibrate. If we will click on it, it will become gray, and now it will not vibrate. And the last thing is snooze, which we currently have 5 minutes 3 times. We can click on it to change the options, for example, to 10 minutes interval and 5 times. And this is it. Now to finally create our alarm, we would need to click on this done button at the right upper corner. Here is it how it looks. And now if you would like to add some more alarms, you would just need to click on this big blue plus again. Here set your new alarm, click done, and don't forget about all the settings that we have done before on this one. And now to add one more alarm, we would need to just click on this big blue plus, and we can set unlimited amount of the alarms. This is just on you how many of them you want to wake up or make a reminder. So for example, let's set it like this. Click done, and now you can see that we got 3 new custom active alarms. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.